Hello everyone, in this video I will be sharing my options and stock trading journal that I created to track my trading performance. This trading journal is suitable for traders who trade options and stock under the same trading account. It is designed to help you track your trading performance and strategy over a 12-month period, giving you a detailed monthly overview as well as an overall summary of your trading activity. In this video, I will guide you through the process of using this trading journal to track single leg option, multi-leg option, going long for stock, and going short for stock. Before you start using this trading journal, head over to the Start tab on the left bottom and input your starting month and year. You can input any month or year and it will automatically list out all the following 12 months. Next, input your account starting balance and define your trading strategy. If English is not your primary language, you can change some of the keywords in this journal to your language by replacing the words in the white cell. Once you're finished setting out your journal, you can start inputting your trading data. Before placing any trade, it is recommended to use the position sizing calculator to determine the appropriate position size for each trade based on your risk tolerance and account size. You can use the calculator to determine the entry level or take profit level by inputting your risk to reward ratio, stop level, target level, or entry level. The calculator will help you determine the minimum number of shares to buy or sell as well as the minimum long or target level. This can help you avoid over leveraging your account and minimize the risk of your trade. Let me show you an example of how to input your trading data into the spreadsheet. I will use Think or Swim trading platform for demonstration in this video. First, let me start with single leg option. For example, I am bullish on Apple stock and decided to buy a single call option. On Think or Swim platform, I key in the ticker of Apple, which is AAPL. Then it will list out all the options available for this stock. Then I select the expiration date of the option chains that I wish to trade. For example, I buy a single call option which is expiring of 9th of June and the cost is around $7.30 for this trade. On the spreadsheet, first input your trade number in numerical value, then select the site from the drop-down list, then input the stock ticker, then select the strategy from the drop-down list. I using the long call strategy for this Apple stock. Then input your strike price for this stock, buying 165 Apple call option, expiring of 9th of June. Then my break-even price. So after you click confirm and send, there is a confirmation box pop up showing all the details. Then input your break-even stop price and your stop price as entry, which is $165.79. Your entry date, so how many contract you are trading, in this case is one contract, and your net entry price. If you are buying a call option or put option, you are paying a premium. When you pay a premium, remember to put a minus sign here to indicate that you are paying a premium. Then enter the commission. Then input buying capital. Buying capital is amount of money that broker block in your account for taking this trade. In this case, the buying capital is $730. My net profit is infinite, so I just leave it blank, and my net loss is $730. After I input the data in the white cell, the green cell, it will automatically calculate the risk to reward ratio and the risk percentage per trade. After you close the trade, just input the data here on the close position. The second example I want to show you is multi-leg option strategy. Let's say I'm bullish on Apple stock. Instead of using a single call option, I can use bull call spread strategy, which means I buy a single call option. At the same time, I sell the call option at my target strike price. This strategy involves two legs option. So let me show you an example here. Same as the example before, go to the date of expiration you wish to trade. In this case, I will choose 9th of June. Instead of buying a single call option, at the same time, I also sell a call option at the target strike price, which create a call spread. As you can see, I'm paying less for this trade. So at the trading journal, input the trade number, select the site, input the ticker, select your strategy from the drop-down list. In this case, bull call spread, 165 call. At the same time, I'm selling 175 call option. Input your expiring date. Input your entry date and time. Input the number of contract and input the net entry price. In this case, my net entry price is debit $4.62. When you pay a debit for open the trade, remember to put a minus sign in front of the net entry price. Then input your buying capital, which is 462, your net profit is 538, and your net loss is 462. So for the third example is trading stock share. Some stock does not have options available or the option liquidity is very low. In this situation, I will buy or sell shares of the underlying stock. For example, if I am bullish on Apple stock, I can choose to buy underlying shares instead of buying options. For trading stock, the way you input data in this spreadsheet is a little bit different. So I will show you how to input the data on this spreadsheet for trading stock. First, input your trade number, select your trade direction, then input the ticker of the underlying stock, select the strategy of your stock trading. For strike price, expiration date and break-even price, you can just leave it blank if you are trading the stock. Then input your stock price at entry date and then your entry date and time. Input the number of shares you want to trade. For trading stock, you can just leave the net entry price blank and then input your commission. If there is commission for trading stock, input the commission. Enter the price that you buy the stock, input the buying capital. For example, if I am going long by trading Apple stock, the broker will probably blocking me around $1,650. Input your maximum profit and your maximum loss for this trade. For example, when I exit the price is around 175, input your exit date or time, enter the number of shares you exit, input the stock price at sell stock column. So as you can see, the duration and the profit and loss will automatically calculate when you input the details on close position column. When you deposit or withdraw money from your account, remember to put a dash sign in the number column. Input date of withdrawal or deposit fund. And then input the amount of withdrawal or deposit. If you are withdraw money from your account, remember to put a minus sign. In this trading journal, there is also a monthly report to keep track of your monthly trading performance and strategy. In the monthly report, there is a drop-down list for you to select the month you want to view. You can select any month to view, and it will list out all the trades taken on the selected month. This monthly report will show a summary of your trading account, such as your starting and ending capital, your profit and loss, your win rate, and your average return per trade. The dynamic charts here will show your account balance, your total profit and loss by ticker, strategy performance, your cumulative profit and loss, and the account drawdown. It's very important to analyze the performance of every strategy we use for trading. So I created strategy performance dashboard and strategy statistic graph and table for you to know how each of your individual trading strategy are performing. This allows you to identify which strategy are working well and which may need to be improved. From the drop-down list above, just select the strategy name and it will automatically list out all the trades you trade using that strategy. It will show the summary and statistics such as profit and loss, win rate, and average return per trade. You can filter by ticker to find the win rate for a particular stock when using the strategy by clicking on the funnel sign here. Select the name of the ticker and the statistic will be shown accordingly. There is also a strategy statistic to show you the best and worst performing strategy for you to compare the performance of each strategy through the period of 12 months in terms of return on investment. And finally, the most important part of this journal is the main trading dashboard. It provides you a comprehensive overview of your trading activity over a 12-month period. It displays your account summary including total P&L, win rate, and account statistics such as average win and average loss. It also shows you 12 monthly trade statistics such as profit and loss, return on investment, winning trade, losing trade, and break-even trade. The interactive and dynamic charts automatically update when you input data into the trading journal. The pie chart here shows your trade performance such as the number of winning or losing trades as well as number of long or short trades. The graph here allows you to have a glance of your overall period trading performance such as account balance, which shows the total value of account at a given point in time. defined. Account drawdown. Account drawdown shows the maximum loss of the account has incurred over the whole period. And account cumulative P&L, which shows the net profit or loss accumulated over time. You can also have a glance of the overall performance of individual ticker and trading strategy to know how individual stock and strategy have contributed to the overall performance of the account, as well as the monthly performance in terms of return on investment, profit and loss, and winning and losing trade. As a conclusion, using a trading journal is very important if you are serious in options and stock trading and want to improve your performance in the trading. The trading journal will show you the statistic of your strategy and trading activity, which allows you to learn from your past experience and make adjustment to your trading plan. Overall, option and stock trading journal is a valuable tools for traders of all levels to improve their trading performance and make more informed decisions. Thank you for watching until the end. Please check the link in the description or comment section below if you want to find out more about this option and stock trading journal. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.